I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have an image, now act. Open Photos and select the photo you want. This is where you control crop and perspective. Tap Edit to straighten, crop to 16:9 or square depending on composition, and enable or disable depth effect if available. Once done, tap the share icon and choose use as wallpaper to start placement. This first step sets visual scale and focal point, so make sure the subject sits where you want it on the screen. Now you position and refine. Drag the image to place the main subject, then pinch to zoom until framing feels right. This controls what's visible behind icons. Toggle perspective zoom on to let the wallpaper shift with motion, or turn it off for a still background, useful for readability. Tap Preview to inspect icons and widgets against the image. Make sure widget contrast stays high. When satisfied, tap Set and choose Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both to apply your choice. Finish by verifying usability. Open the home and lock screens to confirm icons and widgets remain readable. If not, re-edit the image with more negative space or lower contrast. If your wallpaper reverts or won't save, make sure iOS is updated and iCloud photos or device settings aren't overriding changes. Restarting the device often clears temporary sync glitches. For persistent crop problems, reopen the photo. Apply a tighter crop or different aspect ratio, and set the wallpaper again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.